Just speak a song. I think she knows this song. I'm gonna give it to her.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I can't stop eating these.
Tell me when it starts. 1, 2, 3. Na na na. How much more? Titanic. Pick a good song that you know. You think I'll know.
Does she know that one?
No.
Son?
That one.
Okay.
She should. Your life depends on this kid.
You got this. You got this.
He does.
3, 2, 1.
Just sing it.
I don't know this song. Oh no, I don't know
this song. That's not fair.
Yeah, because I didn't even know that.
Yeah?
Give her that, yeah.
Okay.
She doesn't know this,
I
but
think-
I still want her
I think
to.
she does know it.
What is it?
You do know it.
6.
All in my head, but I want nothing to. I don't want the world, but I'll take this city. Who can win a girl? Call me hot, not pretty.
Alright, I might give her a black person because Lord knows, Shana. None of these white people.
3, 2, 1, go.
Car rice. Tonight look through strawberry ice cream. 1 spoon for 2 and then I do. Talking on the no. We did that too. You think it's special? But it
Okay, ready? 3, 2. Wait. What the? There's like a playground all the way over there. La 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 Three, two, one. Kim booty. They're holding their breath the longest. So.
Okay, let's try one.
Whoa.
I tried to change.
3, 2, 1.
say hi. Hey.
Hi.
The 2 burgers.
What we eating?
My butt?
How do you do it? Do you just bite it and squeeze it?
Yeah, but I didn't squeeze. It's really hot.
It's very hot.
Like you? Can I get like water for you?
Do I put this on the...
HWACHAE. I don't know how to pronounce it.
3. Okay, you guys put the liquids in first.
Okay, you go first, Kylie.
Okay.
There's only one of those.
Tell them-
Put 2, put 1.
Okay.
2, 1.
I think 1 was enough, Kylie.
Okay, well, I'll drink the rest. Yeah, let her drink.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Me and Rachel?
Now we're gonna add the fruits. Whoa. Is this what?
It's a cloud. Touch it. It's a cloud.
You nasty. Why are you putting here?
We'll be using gold spoons because we're
Mix.
fancy and we're gonna mix.
What? Dang the ice. Come here.
Oh, we're good.
Watch out.
Come here. Come here. I'm hungry.
Rachel. Let's calm down.
Grant, I want some.
Bro, you want
And
some.
we're severely dehydrated.
Hi guys, so it's 3 a.m. here in Korea and I woke up severely dehydrated.
We should have started off like that.
We'll edit that
This
part
is so ASMR.
It looks good.
Okay, ready?
3, 2.
Get a fruit.
This is just to make it cold.
Where they all get big?
Look. And the blueberries got large.
Grab an ice and suck on it, y'all.
What?
Okay, guys, now we're cleaning up
She made me pack for 8.
because we made a big mess. Oh.
I was.
Hey guys, we're bored, so we're eating. Wait, Kim, let's compare our eyes.
Yours are lighter.
Wait, Rachel.
This is my Stanley Cup.
It's her dog. Indy. Indy.
Let go of my soul.
Okay, we're doing a chip salad, and this is what I brought. Funyuns and hot Cheetos. Well, it's probably gonna need two.
Come on.
Do we even have enough for me?
That's not gonna be enough. For me.
Exactly.
Okay.
I brought the Takis.
What's your name?
My name is
Please be honest.
Rachel.
Okay, I'm Kasani and I brought the hot fun.
That's not enough.
Can you put some back in?
Hey guys, my name is Kylie and I brought the dynamite and tahini and lime.
Look.
Hi guys.
Bye. Yes, everybody. Bye.
Come sleep over with us. Come sleep over with us. Rachel! Come sleep. I'm gonna kill you.